So I'm going to make a real quick video on how to make acoustic panels. I did a lot of research. I'm an engineer, not an acoustic engineer, but this will be just a real quick summary of what I think is the best way to make these acoustic panels. So just order Owens Corning 705 rigid insulation, 4 feet by 2 feet by 2 inches thick. Then take some ground cloth, put it on what you're going to use for the back, glue it on with spray glue. This is the glue you're going to use, 3M Super 77. Works perfectly. I covered it with cloth, polyester cotton, and it has to be cloth that you can breathe through, but not that you can see through. Okay, I've never been good at wrapping Christmas presents, and I have to do the corners, but I'm not doing too bad on it. What I did is I put a straight edge right here coming out from this corner. I'm using my pencil. It's a big square pencil. I put it right on the corner. I'm going to cut the material coming out towards the camera, straight line at the corner. All the way back to the corner. Then I'm just going to fold this flap right straight across here like this and glue that down like that. And that's going to be a really nice corner. And then this part here is just going to come right up here like this. And see, it makes a nice corner once I get all that glued down. And I don't really care about how all this looks right in here because it'll be against the wall. And even if it is kind of thick and it holds it out further from the wall, I think that's a good thing.